What separates the wealthy from everyone else? Is it just a matter of luck? Or do they know something the rest of us don't? The truth is, the rich don't just have money. They have assets that are working hard for them, generating even more wealth while they sleep. In today's video, we're uncovering 15 assets that make the rich richer and show you exactly how you can get your piece of the pie too. Stay till the end because we'll reveal a mind-blowing strategy the super rich use to grow their fortunes exponentially, something that's never taught in schools but could change your life forever. Let's dive in. Cold hard cash. The king of liquidity. Let's start with something everyone can relate to: cold, hard cash. Now, you might be thinking, who doesn't know cash is valuable? But here's where it gets interesting. Did you know that Apple alone holds over $150 billion in cash reserves? That's more than the GDP of countries like Ukraine or Hungary. Why? Because liquidity is power. Cash allows the rich to jump on any opportunity. Whether it's a downturned market, a new business venture, or a once-in-a-lifetime real estate deal. It's like having a financial safety net that lets them act fast when the rest of us are still scrambling to put together funding. And it gets better. Some wealthy individuals use cash to lend it out through peer-to-peer platforms, earning up to 15% interest. Way more than the 0.5% your bank is giving you. But remember, always evaluate the risks before diving in. Real estate, the ultimate wealth generator. Real estate, one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build wealth. In fact, 90% of the world's millionaires made their fortunes through real estate. It's not just about buying a house, it's about owning assets that pay you every month through rent, and appreciating in value year after year. Average annual real estate appreciation in major U.S. cities: 4–5%. Over 85 million Americans receive rental income each year. Imagine this. You buy a small apartment building and rent it out. Every month, like clockwork, you get a check. Whether you're on vacation, sleeping, or out with friends. And that's just one form of real estate investing. And guess what? Your own home doesn't count as an asset. It's a liability, because it costs you money instead of putting cash in your pocket. Want to know how to turn real estate into your secret money-making machine? Start small, focus on cash flow, and watch your wealth grow. Bonds. The quiet achievers. Next up, let's talk about bonds. They might not sound as exciting as flashy stocks or real estate deals, but bonds are a favorite among the wealthy for one simple reason: stability. The U.S. government, for example, offers bonds that guarantee returns of around 3% per year. More than 30% of U.S. household assets are held in bonds. Warren Buffett allocates a portion of his portfolio to bonds, ensuring stability and predictable returns. For those who want low-risk options to diversify their investments, bonds are perfect. You get steady payouts, and at the end of the term, your initial investment is returned to you. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Stocks. A piece of the corporate pie. Stocks. Everyone's heard of them, but only a few know how to truly leverage them. When you buy a stock, you're literally owning a piece of a company. Imagine owning 1% of Apple or Tesla. It's not just paper, it's a slice of their success. Over the past 30 years, the average annual return for the S&P 500 has been around 9.8%. That means if you invested just $1,000 in 1990, it would be worth over $17,000 today. But here's the kicker. The wealthy don't just buy stocks. They buy dividend-paying stocks, which means even more income while they hold. Index and mutual funds. Playing the long game. Stocks too risky? Consider mutual and index funds. These are like a basket filled with a variety of stocks, giving you instant diversification. It's why financial experts recommend index funds to beginners. They've been shown to beat most professional investors in the long run. The average S&P 500 index fund has an annualized return of 9.8% over the last 90 years. Want to play it safe while still enjoying great returns? Go for index funds. It's the set it and forget it approach that has made countless investors wealthy without the hassle. Equipment. Tools that generate wealth. Ever heard the phrase, the right tool for the right job? For the rich, the right tools are assets. If you're a farmer, your tractor is an asset. If you're a content creator, your camera and editing software are assets. Anything that helps you make money or save time counts. Equipment is a wealth generator, choose wisely. Don't splurge on the latest gadgets unless they're making you money. But if that new software helps you double your productivity, it's an investment, one that could pay off big time. Intellectual property. The invisible money machine. Here's where things get really interesting. Intellectual property. Patents, trademarks, copyrights, they might be intangible, but they can bring in serious cash. J.K. Rowling isn't just an author. She's a billionaire because she owns the rights to Harry Potter. Every book sold, every movie made, every merch item, she earns royalties. That's the power of intellectual property. If you have a unique idea, product, or creation, protect it. One good idea could be your ticket to unimaginable wealth. Brands and goodwill. The emotional connection. A brand is more than a logo, it's a feeling, an identity. Coca-Cola's brand value alone is worth over $80 billion. That's the power of consumer loyalty and trust. Brand value can make up more than 50% of a company's market cap. Think about it. Why do people pay $5 for a Starbucks coffee instead of $1 for a regular cup? It's the emotional connection. If you build a brand people love, you've created an asset that can generate wealth for generations. More wealth-generating assets and a game-changing strategy. These were just a few of the many assets the rich used to build their fortunes. But as promised, here's the game-changing strategy, the time-money-time arbitrage. The secret to infinite wealth. What if I told you the greatest asset you have isn't money, but time? The wealthy know how to turn time into money, and then use that money to buy back more time. It's a concept called time-money-time arbitrage. Here's how it works. First, you invest your time to generate money. Then, you use that money to hire others, effectively multiplying your time. The rich do this over and over again until they have an empire, where their time is freed up and the money keeps rolling in. Understand this, and you'll start seeing opportunities everywhere. It's the key to turning your time into the most valuable asset you'll ever own. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time, keep building your assets, keep growing your wealth, and remember, you have the power to change your financial future starting right now.